Cat can come across perspectives by Dave Puggy. Cat can come from by Dave Puggy and published by Grubbin and a brain for this grafted in. Chapter 1 Time Waster. What's up, guys? What got the secret of week on? Cat can coming from? Homie! I know something else for ya. I ain't knowing else for your show. Oh! Okay, Melvin. No one to kid me. What? No one flying. I want it. Can you please give me some self? Oh, yeah. Really, Dad? You trust anything you want inside. You do not ask me. It's a no of my manner. I'm sorry, Nironi. That is very for me. I know what this wasn't true. I apologize. I ain't thinking kidding me, did you? I wasn't L1, didn't wasting time. Nironi! The please keep it your feet this self. Daddy! What it now? It wasn't call me or tell me. Look, I get a tired of fighting. It wasn't wasting time. How many times I had to tell you? And then why? Sorry, Dad. It wasn't fighting very well. It wasn't ONC. She didn't get on the timer for me. It wasn't all day and what. We did. I know a final one because of time waster. Why down? Sweet. I get the over now. We are drawing perspective. But wait. Oh, we ain't. Swap. We're walking it for me. It was a boring. No. We cannot do another 1 week. How we drink a sorry drink. Sorry. Oh, why them?